Okay, parents, I'm going to show you how to get into, through MAP, how to get to SchoolNet now. SchoolNet is a test, a pretest or a test that your child will sometimes take. Um, so you're going to go into your MAP, of course, and you can see that, you can see the Google Classroom. And for me, right above it is where the SchoolNet test is. It's gray with a red um, schoolhouse on it. It's probably not going to be in the exact same spot for every teacher, but that's what it looks like, and it's called SchoolNet, and it'll say this on the directions for your teacher. You're going to click that icon. All right, so here we go. Click it. Here's what it looks like. All right. By the way, if it ever says one click, it's doing its magic. Don't ever click the red box, because that is linking everything so the child doesn't have to constantly type their numbers in every time. So we're trying to make it easy for them. At the beginning of the year, you have to type a lot of things in, and we try to make it easier and easier for them, okay? So, hey Lanata, I have your computer. Well, not your computer, but I have your account up. Don't worry, I'm not going to show anything, okay? But we're going to pretend to take the test, okay? So you're going to go in here and you're going to type in the code for your test. The teacher will provide it, and the code goes right here where it says take a test, enter passcode right there, and then you press go. Below it will show up the name of the test, and you press start or begin. On the screen will come up the questions. When you're done with the test, you press the green button that says submit. That means you are done and you've answered all the questions. Once you've done that, you're done with your SchoolNet test. Now, just a side note, a SchoolNet test for this Friday coming up is a pretest. A pretest is not meant to frustrate your child or you. It is asking questions and seeing what your child knows or what they could figure out. So please don't let your child spend a really, really long time on this assessment, because if they don't know it, then they don't know it, right? And that's something that we need to teach them. So set a timer or say, oh, okay, so that's something that your teacher needs to teach you, or we'll learn at home whenever you're getting your assignments at home, okay? So, let's not take this pre-test in a serious manner. It is serious, but it's to tell us what we need to teach. It is not meant to like, oh my gosh, you don't know anything. I don't want you doing that with your kid, because that is not what a pretest is meant for, okay? Just like with any spelling pretest, we always ask them to spell their best, and then we look back and say, okay, well, this is where they're struggling with patterns in their spelling, okay? That's what we'll do with this math test. So we'll say, okay, this is what they're struggling with, so this is where we really need to focus, or these are their strengths, okay? So it's not something that you can help them with. You can only help them with as far as timing, all right? So I don't want you to feel like it's a serious thing and have the children get frustrated. Usually this is a speech I give to my students, but since they're not going to be with me, I'm giving it to you to give to your children, okay? Have them finish the quiz and submit it, and that will be one of their assignments that they have to do on Friday. Thank you very much.